If you want to enhance your security by removing old devices from your Wells Fargo account, follow these simple steps to ensure that your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your login information. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Security Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile options. Step 3. Manage devices. Look for an option that says Manage Devices or Device Management. Click on this option to view the list of devices currently associated with your account. Step 4. Select old devices. Review the list of devices and identify the ones you no longer use or recognize. Select the devices you wish to remove from your account. Step 5. Confirm removal. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can easily remove old devices from your Wells Fargo security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly reviewing your connected devices is a good practice for maintaining your online security.